Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of LG 65-inch 4K OLED Smart TV. The model number of this Smart TV is OLED65GXPTA. I will give the link of this product in the description box. You can purchase this TV either from Flipkart or from Tata Click. I will give both the links in the description box. The best part of this 4K Smart TV is that it is very slim. It is also called as LG Gallery Design TV. This TV runs on WebOS and it is powered by Alpha 9 Generation 3 AI processor. Coming to the resolution, this has a resolution of 3840 into 2160, and coming to the display, it has self-lighting OLED, and coming to the sound output, it has 60-watt speakers. The sound coming from the speakers are crystal clear. This TV has Miracast built in, and also this TV comes with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa support, and also you can use Apple AirPlay. This is one of the first TV to offer NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility support. You can play high graphics games without any flicker, and also you can enjoy the gaming without any lag. So that's it guys, please do watch the video completely and leave your feedback in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on